Today we will learn about important facts related to Brahmaputra river and a trick to remember the tributaries of river Brahmaputra. The river Brahmaputra rises in the Kailash range and the origin is near Mansarovar lake in the southern Tibet. From there it flows as Yarlung Zangpo. It flows parallel to the Himalayas and then enter India making a hairpin turn. You can see the river is making a hairpin turn, enters India near Bishing in Arunachal Pradesh. Here it is known as Siang. Then it is joined by number of rivers such as Dibang, Lohit, Bhuri Dihing, Subansiri, Dhansiri, Kameng, Manas, Sankosh, Raidak, Jaldhaka. The Brahmaputra river basin covers Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Sikkim, total of 6 states and total of 1,94,413 square kilometers. It is the drainage area of Brahmaputra river. After entering Bangladesh, it is known as Jamuna, and when the Ganga river joins it, it becomes river Padma. And then finally, river empties into the Bay of Bengal. And the total length of river is 2880 kilometers, of which 1625 kilometers lies in Tibet. Now let us look at the tributaries. So these are left bank tributaries. Siang river, we can consider it as a tributary or as a river Brahmaputra itself. Before it becomes Brahmaputra river, it is Siang river in India. Dibang river, Lohit river, Buri Dihing, Dhansiri river. Right bank tributaries are Subansiri, Kameng, Manas, Sankosh, Raidak, Jaldhaka river and Tista river. Questions are asked on tributaries of river Brahmaputra, so it's important that you remember the tributaries. There is a simple trick. I have made it in Hindi. धनी बूढ़ी सीधी नहीं लोभी है, सब काम मन से करो, संकट में राय मत दो जल्दी, क्योंकि ये तीखा बोलती है. धनी से धनसिरी, बूढ़ी से बूढ़ी दिहिंग, सी से सियांग, दी से दिबांग, लोभी से लोहित, सब से सुबनसिरी, काम से कामेंग, मन से मानस, संकट संकोश, राय से रायदक, जल्दी से जलधक और तीखा के ती से तिस्ता रिवर. Easy trick. Note it and revise it. It will help you in the exam. Let us solve some questions asked on river Brahmaputra. This was asked in 2016. Which of the following is our tributaries of Brahmaputra? Dibang, Kameng, Lohit. Select the correct answers using the code given below. If you use the trick, Sidi, Di se Dibang, Kameng and Lobhi se Lo. So all three, 1, 2 and 3. Next question asked in 2017. UPSC IAS Prelims. With reference to river Tista, consider the following statements. The source of river Tista is the same as that of Brahmaputra, but it flows through Sikkim. River Rangit originates in Sikkim and is a tributary of river Tista. River Tista flows into the Bay of Bengal on the border of India and Bangladesh. The source of river Tista is not as that of Brahmaputra. It originates from Pahuniri Glacier. Tista is one of the right bank tributaries of river Brahmaputra. River Rangit originates in Sikkim and is a tributary of river Tista. Statement 2 is correct. And river Tista flows through Sikkim. You can see in the map Tista river. It flows through West Bengal and Sikkim before it flows to the Bay of Bengal. So statement 3rd is also not correct. Answer is 2 only. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.